In today's video, we will look into how much my 500,000 staking power has earned me in the last 24 hours.
Based on that power, actually, I will get more free IDO allocations.
As you know, guys, yesterday I have staked double down on my previous investment on the Vlaunch platform. And that brought me, guys, to almost 500,000 of staking power. And of course, the most important question of the day, guys, is how much did I earn in the last 24 hours by staking so a big amount of Vpads? So let's look into that now.
So voila, guys, as you can see, we are here on the Vlaunch website, on the brand new, very beautiful website of Vlaunch, guys. And as you also can notice, guys, from yesterday, I actually was watching here and we are right now over 46 million Vpad stakes. Yesterday was the amount only about 45 million, close to 46 million. But as of today, guys, we are already above the 46 million. What means that we are soon will probably hit the milestone of 50 million Vpad staked, what means less Vpad into circulating, and by that, guys, the price can start moving higher than before. But of course, guys, this is not the only reason why the price can go or move up, guys. But let's look how much did I earn, guys. As you know, guys, we have here for the people that doesn't know how the website works, here you have the Vlaunch to get actually to the home page. If you want to buy tokens, that is just here, guys. So I will zoom in. Then if you want to stake, you just click here and you can choose how much tokens you want to stake, for how long you want to stake. You can see the exact IPI, yearly return on investment, based on how long you are staking for. And then next to that, here you can actually choose your time zone. And of course, you can here put the exact amount of Vpads you are aiming to stake. Then, of course, you have here the projects. If you click here on projects, you can see here, of course, the upcoming projects. Next to that, you have the live projects, the project that's are being live, the upcoming NFT projects, and so on, guys. Then, of course, we have here the bridge. So if you click here, then you come into the bridge, what actually just means switching. Wait, Kitty Cat is trying to join the call. Yeah, here, play a little bit down. And so the bridge is actually where you can actually switch from Vpads on the Ethereum network into the Binance network. And then, of course, we have the DAO, very important, guys, for the people that still didn't went on the DAO. Here you can actually choose, because the community is back into power. So when you go into DAO, you can actually choose where you are agreeing with, make lottery transparent, yes or no, mere communications, yes or no, make token deflationary, yes or no. So of course, yourself can choose what you want, yes or no. Then of course, here we have the dashboard. If you click on dashboard, guys, you will actually exactly be able to see how much Vpads you have staked. As of today, guys, my Vpad staked actually as of yesterday is right now 65,785 Vpads that I have actually staked, 0.32 cents. Of course, guys, if the price movement will return back to the previous price of about almost $2, then this means that this is over $130,000 that is actually being staked for 5 years. And then, of course, we have there the bonus Vpads. Right now, my power of Vpads, based on that power, actually, I will get more free IDO allocations. Kitty Cat, yes. More free IDO allocations. Based on how big that staking power actually is. So Kitty Cat is trying to play here behind the PC. I should better have put him, I think, a little bit outside. But guys, we will go forward because guys, let's look how much did I earn in the last 24 hours. So let's scroll here down, guys. Scroll here down, guys. Scroll here down, guys. And voila, guys. So my almost 500,000 staking power has earned me in the last 24 hours around 336 Vpads. So I will try to refresh that page and see, guys, or there is already a little bit more. Yes, guys, 338 Vpads. Let's the Vpad rain, guys. So this is very great news. So based on that, guys, so based on 338 Vpads, even guys, if we just looked at the amount, let's go here back and calculate, guys, what that would mean on a monthly basis, how much that could actually be. So guys, if we go here by staking, so I will zoom here out so you can actually see it even better. So if we go here by staking, guys, very important, then here, guys, we are actually seeing on 5 years that this is a 194% IPI. And let's look right now, this will of course lower by time, but if that stays just for 1 month, guys, the same amount of IPI, guys, and this don't change, guys, that means that eventually my potential earning for this next coming month could be $9,900 Vpads, guys. So based on that amount, guys, this could be an earning of 9,900 Vpads. Let me know in the comment, what do you think about that? Of course, guys, this opportunity is not only for me. As you know, guys, anyone can anticipate on this Vlaunch platform and actually make the same amount of earnings like myself or even much more, guys. And of course, very important to keep in mind, guys, this is no financial advice. Anything in life has his risk, also here with staking. There is big risk involved in staking because of course you don't know what is going to happen. Will the company still exist tomorrow? Based on their previous performance, they are consistent, what means probably they will stay. But of course the price of Vpad is no guaranteed. And by that, guys, I have felt it myself, where I have lost about 90% of the current value where my value actually was 4.5 months ago. So right now, guys, of course, I am not selling, what means I didn't have made any loss so far, but actually the opposite is just true because I have made more Vpads than I actually had before. And next to that, guys, I have many more free IDOs received and also 2 NFTs received. What I didn't have paid anything for it. And in other words, combined, guys, in the next Bitcoin bull run, this could be one of the most profitable bets I have ever made in my lifetime, and this could also apply for you guys. It doesn't mean that it will work out, but guys, if it works out, regrets are only there for the people that was knowing about it but didn't have done anything to actually benefit from it. And by doing the opposite today, guys, even with a small amount of your portfolio, what do you have to lose, guys? If this works out, guys, if this plays out, then this could mean your and not only my success, not only the whole Warriors teams, their success, but all the Warriors, every investor into the Vlaunch platform, their success. And of course, guys, why not risking when it's only a small amount of your portfolio? Think about Bitcoin in the early stages. What would 10 or 20 or 50 euros made a difference by then if you had lost it? Not much. But what if you didn't have lost it but had really invested into Bitcoin when Bitcoin was underneath $1 or Ethereum was underneath $1 or Binance coin was underneath $1? Would your life be different?
on today? Would that benefit you or of any kind? And of course, guys, if the answer is yes, why not risking this time while you are this time on the right moment and the right time, because this message has founded you guys. So thank you very much to watch my video till the end. You are my heroes. I am making this video content for you, for the people that are actually really interesting to learn self, to be actually educated and needing guidelines in their life during their crypto success. Just don't forget, once you made it, guys, don't forget the ones that helped you to bring it so far. And so, guys, if you want to help me out anyway, please give me a like, subscribe, guys, share the content to as much as possible people, so we can attract, guys, more potential warriors. And what means a bigger network and more warriors into the game, what means the price of Vpad is likelier to skyrocket sooner than we all thought. Thank you very much to watch my video, and I see you in the next one. Bye bye.